Hello everybody, this is Sarah. I am here to talk to you about Stride, which is our intervention program that we are using for all of our current students to use through the month of June so you can kind of get to know it before we really start using it next year. By the end of this information session, your kids are going to be so ready to hop on Stride and play some games. By the end of today, you'll be able to identify the importance of using Stride at home. You'll be able to use the parent portal inside Stride to support your learner, and you'll be able to implement Stride in your home, ensuring your learner uses Stride at least 20 minutes per day. Again, that's not going to be an issue because the kids are going to want to play each day. Now, Stride is an adaptive educational resource that is game-based to engage your learner. What that means is they hop on a learning path according to what one of their first quizzes shows them, and then it adapts and adjusts to the student's needs. So if they answer a question incorrectly after 3 tries, then it's going to give them a slightly easier question or give them a video to watch or some type of activity to reinforce and reteach that skill. It also has built-in incentives for them. So they are going to get coins according to how they answer questions, and they get to earn badges and compete against their friends. How does it work? There are videos, they answer questions, they complete learning tasks, they have interactive games. According to how long they are on a learning task and how many questions they get right, they will be earning coins and badges along their learning path. They can also compete with their friends with points, so they can connect with each other and stay connected over the summer, or at least in June, through Stride and competing with each other in that. One of the reasons we are kind of pushing this out to families is it's a proven effective method of teaching math and reading. Studies have shown that after 3 years of usage, reading scores inside MAP increased an average of 12 percentile points, and for math, it was an average of 10 percentile points. Now those points are those ones that kind of look at where your student is along the continuum of 100 other students their age. So if your child is in the 60th percentile in reading, that can bring them up to the 72nd percentile in reading, from the 50th to the 62nd. That's a huge gain. Now we won't necessarily see those gains just by using Stride in June, but we will hopefully see less of a drop in our scores. If you've noticed, if you've been with the district or with any district that uses MAP for any amount of time, you know that the summer months your child loses some points and loses some of that knowledge between the grade levels. So if we can at least extend their learning in reading and math for just at least 1 month out of the 2.5 of summer, hopefully we'll see scores stay the same or even possibly go up. Now to access Stride, the learning coach just accesses it just like you normally would any other course inside K-12, and this actually goes for the learner as well. Stride is a course inside K-12. So you just log in under your normal login. The learner will log in under their login to be able to play the games, access the content, earn their coins. The learning coach will log in under your login information, and you'll be able to see what kind of, like how much time your child has spent in there, what their learning path is, what kind of questions they're getting right and wrong, and so forth, so that you're able to support them outside of Stride. We would like to see your student inside Stride for 20 minutes per day in order to see the benefit of Stride. Learners, we expect you to earn coins and just have fun. Learning coaches, we expect you to reteach any skills as needed just to help support them in their learning. The experience inside Stride is, as I mentioned before, they earn coins to play in order to play games. They earn badges to show mastery on the different skills. They access it through K-12, so it's not anything special that they have to go to. And they can access Stride on iPads, tablets, or on their computer, and I believe you can even access it on your cell phones. Okay, next is the student dashboard. So they get 14 coins. No, they need 14 coins in order to have 1 minute of game time. Again, they earn those coins by getting answers correct and playing or doing their work for significant amounts of time. So they get 2 coins for every correct answer that they get on the first try. They get 1 coin for answering it correct on the second try. And then if they don't answer it correctly, the student is moved on to the next question that's slightly easier because, again, it's adaptive. So it's going to adapt to what the student needs. This provides them with instant feedback. So they know what they're getting right, what they're getting wrong, where their confusions are. It'll also give them videos that will reteach a skill that they seem to be getting consistently incorrect. At the beginning of each strand, they're also going to, besides the videos that the kids get to watch, you can download a PDF of what it's going to be teaching, so you know exactly what skills the kids are going to be learning at that time. Now the games are a break from the learning. They're considered a brain break. So the kids will learn and play interactive games or do quizzes or learning activities or videos. They will spend time learning. Once they have earned enough coins from learning, then they get a game that is just fun to play to give their brains a break. And again, it's 14 coins for 1 minute. So they will earn enough coins to maybe be able to play for 10 minutes. Once they've done that, then they can hop over to the games portion, which you can see right here. It sort of kind of highlights well for you. They hop over to those games right there, and they can play a 10-minute just fun game. After the 10 minutes that they pay for, it cuts them off and it pops them back to the home section where they can go choose to do math, reading, or science if we choose to do science. Some of the things that you're going to see, they have a bunch of games that they can choose from. They have arcade games, physics types of games, logic, puzzles, and sports. It's the games you're going to see just on your typical like Roblox or where you purchase games for your phones. They also have click and play videos targeted for the specific lessons and skills that your kids are learning at that time. And they're a coin-based reward system to motivate kids to get to that next level. You can see when kids are playing games on your phones or on the Xbox or the PlayStations, iPads, all those things. They work really hard to earn those coins. They're going to be doing the same thing here, only they're going to be learning along the way. One of the concerns that I know I tend to have, teachers tend to have, is the kids just rapid clicking or trying to like quickly get answers wrong so that they can get to the easier questions that will then be faster to answer. The solution is inside the Stride system, there's an anti-guessing detection that will pick this up. So if they're clicking too fast through a lesson just to get through it to get to the next level and earn coins, the first time that happens, they're going to get a warning to say, hey, guess what? You're not learning. The goal here is to actually learn. So slow down and learn. The second time it happens, they will get a notification saying that they are starting to lose coins from their coin bank. this is going to ensure that kids are not clicking through simply to get to the next level and to get to the games. And it protects the integrity of the course for the students so that they are being challenged, they are learning, and they're not just getting all the easy questions. Attached to this email, you will get this video to go watch. This is a great video that goes through each and every part of Stride and shows you exactly how Stride works, how to access it, how to use it, what kind of games the kids will be able to see. It's a great one to watch for both you and your learner. If you have any questions, please email me at sarah.nomenson@ops.org. If I don't have the answers, because Stride is new to me as well, then I will get the answers for you. Thanks again for watching this. Please email me with any questions. To show that you have watched this video, please email me one question you have or one thing you are excited about for your child to start learning Stride. Again, email me with one question you have or one thing you're excited about with Stride. Again, that's sarah.nomenson@ops.org. Thanks so much, guys.